Did you know you could grow a mighty oak tree right from a tiny acorn? That's right. Something as small as this hold-up acorn can turn into one of the tallest, strongest trees you've ever seen, and today I'm going to show you how. Whether you've got an acorn in your backyard or you're buying one online, I'll guide you step by step to grow your very own oak tree. Let's dive in. How to plant acorns.
Scarify the acorn.
First, we need to give that acorn a little boost. Acorns have a tough outer shell, so to help them sprout, we need to scarify it. No fancy tools needed here, just rub the acorn gently with sandpaper. This scratches the surface and makes it easier for water to get in and for the acorn to grow. Cold, stratify the acorn. Next, we need to mimic winter. Sounds odd, but acorns need cold temperatures before they'll start growing. So pop your scarified acorns into a plastic bag with some damp peat moss and toss it in the fridge for about a month. That's all it takes. Plant the acorn in soil. Once they've had their cold treatment, it's time to plant. Find a pot with well-draining soil, poke a hole about an inch deep, and place your acorn in. Cover it lightly with soil, give it some water, and keep it somewhere sunny. Now, the magic happens. Where to get acorns? Wondering where to find acorns? You have a few options. If you live near oak trees, you can gather acorns right from the ground in the fall. Look for plump, brown ones without cracks. Nurseries, some plant nurseries sell acorns or oak saplings. Online retailers, or if you want to skip the search, many online stores sell acorns ready to plant. How to care for young acorns. Now that your acorn's planted, here's how to take care of it. Watering, keep the soil moist, but don't drown it. Acorns love water, but too much can cause rot. Fertilizing? A light fertilizer in the spring can give your acorn an extra boost of nutrients to grow strong. Pest protection. Squirrels love acorns just as much as you do. Protect your young acorns from curious animals by using a wire mesh or covering them with a pot. How long does it take to grow? Growing an oak tree isn't a quick process, but it's worth the wait. On average, it can take 5 to 10 years for your acorn to grow into a sturdy young oak tree. The exact time depends on the species, but with patience and proper care, you'll have a beautiful oak tree that'll last for generations. Fun facts about acorns. Before we wrap up, let's throw in some fun acorn facts. Did you know that acorns are the seeds of oak trees? Every oak tree starts as a tiny acorn, just like the one you're planting. Acorns are packed with nutrients and provide food for wildlife like squirrels, deer, and birds. You can even make acorn flour. It's a traditional food used by many cultures, though it takes some work to make. So, whether you're looking to grow a tree that will shade your backyard or create a lasting legacy for future generations, growing an oak tree from an acorn is one of the most rewarding things you can do. Grab an acorn, follow these simple steps, and you'll be on your way to growing your own mighty oak tree. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!